Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to add a blog to an existing WordPress website. So I've got this test website, Rent a Living Christmas Tree. Don't use it for much apart from these sort of demos and videos, but hey, I'm missing a blog. Look at that menu, no blog. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and log on to our website. So we're going to go to our URL, then /wp-admin. Going to hit return on that, and then we're going to log in. Now I've already got a user account set up here, and I expect you will also have one too for your WordPress website. So this is a backend to WordPress. Hopefully you are vaguely familiar with this, or at least seen it once. We're going to go to pages, and these are all the pages that are on the website at the minute. And what we're looking to do is to add a new page that we can post our blogs to. So click Add New. Now, this blog post, this page where we're going to post our blogs, you could call it blog. You could say blog about I don't know, Christmas trees, whatever you want. But we're just going to stick with blog for this, and then we're going to publish it. So now we've got our blog post, and that title there also forms part of the URL. So the title becomes the URL. You can separate them, but we won't go into that detail here. For now, let's keep it the same, title and URL the same. So we're going to go and visit our website. So I've just opened up the web page, and then we're going to go into customize. And we're going to go into menu, and I'm looking for my main menu here. This is where I'm going to post it. Top menu, this one here. So we're going to go in there and we're going to click add. And so top menu, add. And we're going to look for a new page. There it is. Great, got our new page. So blog, you can see it's appeared down there already. It really is that simple to expand your menu with new pages. So usually just show you again and remove that, click the plus sign, blog, there we go. Do you see it appear there at the bottom? And it's that simple. Now we're going to go into homepage settings. Now this is how, so WordPress, traditionally a blog, and originally it would have just been blog posts on your homepage, you know, all your latest posts. But here we've got a traditional sort of website with home, about, contact. It's fairly static pages, so they don't change. But what WordPress does allow us to do is to have a post page. So this is what our blog page is going to be about. So there's a little drop down here just under the post page, and we're going to set that to our blog page that we newly created. So do that, and then we're just going to go up there and publish that changes. And close that down on the X at the top. So finish customizing, go to our blog, and hey presto. Okay, so we had some blog posts that'd be there, so let's go and create some. So posts, so you'll notice we've got posts here, and this is different from pages. So pages, static sort of content, posts, updating all the time. You know, so good to add regular posts. So we're going to add a new post, but first, before we do that, we'll just create a category for a post to go into. So it's really a good idea to categorize your posts from the get off. So just type in what the post you're about to make is going to be related to, give it a category, and then when you add a new post, you simply just assign it to that category. So we'll give the I don't know, why real Christmas trees are better, I don't know, but you can write about anything you want to that you think is related to your niche, your market. Create that post, and then add in some quality content, but make sure that that title is related to the content. And you can create a list, I don't know, all the things that are important about why real Christmas trees are better, but you can post about whatever you want. But it's literally that simple. It's just like Word to come in here, edit it, add changes, post. I'm just adding random text here to a list, but we can add an image in here. So I'm just going to add a image that's already on this WordPress website, and then you can simply, you could add a paragraph about, I don't know, that drink, whatever. Just as long as you're posting high quality content, simple as that. We've added a new paragraph, publish that. Now let's go and take a look at that on our blog. So we just refresh that, and yeah, there you go. We've got our first post. So you can see it's got our title there, the image we put in, but we don't have the categories listed. So what we're going to do is add categories to the sidebar. So actually, let's just create another category while we're at it. Add, just so it will give you more of an idea, so you can see the sort of benefit that you can build from categories. I'll just quickly add another post, just to add to that new category I've just created. I don't know, green trees are better or something. Just anything. It's just an example, but obviously your posts are going to be way better than the random stuff I'm just sticking on here. And then yeah, I'll just wait, hang on, I'll just add it to a category. Here we go. So add it, that category. In fact, I've just remembered my last post I did not, the first post that I didn't assign it to a category, so I'm just going to go back and do that. Just give me a second. Here we go. So just yet uncategorized, assign the category. Great, brilliant. And then we're going to go back to the home page, back to the website, and we will add the sidebar. We'll add this categories list in the sidebar. So we go to widgets. You will find that you've got here. It could be called something different on yours, but we've got widgets, we've got blog sidebar, and all we're going to do is add in categories. So it's going to categorize our posts, which we've already done, but it's going to display that on the right sidebar. Drag it to the top, so it's really visible. Everybody can see it when they get straight on the site. What else do you post about? Hey, let's tick that box, and look, you can count the amount of posts. So we could have 10 posts on one subject, 20 on another, that sort of thing. And it might just lead someone from one blog post onto another blog post. And of course, all this is that you're doing in creating is all about adding quality content to your site to optimize your website, bring in traffic, and of course create some internal hyperlinks to link to the pages that are your money pages. So I hope you've enjoyed this blog post on how to add a blog to your WordPress website, just like this one you're on. I hope you found it useful. And my name's Steve, and if you need help adding blog posts in the future, or just keeping your website up to date, then yeah, visit www.D-Isla.co.uk. Alright, thanks for your time.